Hello amazing fashion lovers, how are you? Welcome to my channel today. And in the video today I've put together amazing, beautiful, natural flat twist braid styles for your viewing, and you want to look good, you want to look classy and gorgeous, and check out this video. Try out any of these styles. Let me know in the comment section, are you trying it out for the first time or you've been trying out this before now, and which of this is going to be your next hairdo. Don't forget to like this video as you're watching and subscribe to my channel as well. Please share this video with your loved ones so they can enjoy the content you're enjoying right now. And I'll be waiting to also see your own comment on other videos that I've posted before as well as this one. Have an amazing time watching. Bye.